भाई मैं सैयद जावेद खदीर हूँ मैं एंड ये ऐप स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, सोशल मीडिया ऐप स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं 7 चैट्स करके बोल के। एंड नेक्स्ट मंथ लॉन्च का डेट अभी फिक्स नहीं हुआ, बट नेक्स्ट मंथ सम टाइम विल हैव फुल लॉन्च। एंड विथ मी ऑन माय राइट साइड इज द टेक्निकल लीड रियाज, and on my left is Nagaraj. He is the iOS senior developer for iOS, and I will let them talk a little about the app. Please, they'll try in Hindi to their best. Please excuse us if we are not really fluent or comfortable with our Hindis. Riaz engineer, computer science engineer with 6+ years experience in development.
नमस्कार सभी को।
थोड़ा जोर से।
लिटिल ऑडिबल ओके। सभी को मेरा नमस्कार, हेलो, गुड आफ्टरनून। माय नेम इज़ रियाज, मेरा नाम रियाज है, रियाज पाशा, और मैंने ग्रेजुएशन किया है।
नहीं, आप ऐप के बारे में बताइए।
ऐप के बारे में ठीक है। सो 7 चैट एक सोशल मीडिया ऐप है जहाँ पर बहुत सारे जी बहुत
थोड़ा लाउडली बात कीजिए।
जी फंक्शनैलिटी वाइज एवरीथिंग इज़ कॉमन, बट इधर इसमें जो यूनिक है वो है रिवॉर्ड्स। और चैट्स में अभी चैट्स आके नॉर्मल चैट्स भेजते हैं, बट हमारे एप्लीकेशन में एक नया फीचर ऐड किया है जो है ऑटो डिलीट। इसका मैं उदाहरण देता हूँ। उदाहरण क्या है, फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे पास 2 यूज़र्स हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से यूज़र ए और यूज़र बी। यूज़र बी को मैसेज कुछ भेजना चाहता है और वो मैसेज आके कॉन्फिडेंशियल है, किसी तीसरे आदमी को, किसी को वो फॉरवर्ड नहीं होना चाहिए। सो इन दैट केस यूज़र ए हमारे ऐप में एक फीचर है जिससे कि हम नॉर्मल मैसेज भी भेज सकते हैं और ऑटो डिलीट मैसेज भी भेज सकते हैं। सो अगर ऑटो डिलीट मैसेज को चूज़ करते हैं तो आपको मैसेज डिलीवर हो जाएगा यूज़र बी को, बट देन देयर इज़ अ टाइम इंटरवल। जैसे यूज़र बी उस मैसेज को पढ़ लेता है तो एक सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम कॉन्फ़िगरेबल है, तो वो टाइम अगर क्रॉस हो गया तो वो मैसेज डिलीट हो जाएगा। एक और चीज़ उसमें क्या है, यूज़र बी को मैसेज मिलता है बट यूज़र बी किसी को फॉरवर्ड नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि वो ये क्या बोलते हैं, कॉन्फिडेंशियल है। तो फॉर एग्जांपल एक एग्जांपल उदाहरण देता हूँ। जैसे कि आप क्रेडिट कार्ड का डिटेल्स भेजते हैं, सो वो आके किसी को, इट्स अ कॉन्फिडेंशियल डिटेल्स, यू कैन नॉट फॉरवर्ड इट टू एनीबडी एल्स। सो उस केस पे क्या होता है, फॉरवर्ड का भी ऑप्शन नहीं रहता। हाँ, थोड़े बहुत तो लूपहोल्स हो सकते हैं, जैसे कि एक डिवाइस से वो क्लिक दूसरे एक डिवाइस से फ़ोटो लेके भेज सकते हैं, उसका हमारे पास कंट्रोल नहीं है। जहाँ तक हमारा कंट्रोल है हम उतना कोशिश करके डेवलप कर रहे हैं। सो इसमें ऑटो डिलीशन है और बहुत सारे अपलोड फीचर्स हैं, जैसे कि इवेंट्स होता है। नॉर्मल जो भी दूसरे एप्लीकेशन, सोशल मीडिया एप्लीकेशन प्लेटफॉर्म में है वही सब चीज़ इसमें भी है। और हमारा जो एप्लीकेशन है वो आके वेबसाइट में है, एज वेल एज एंड्रॉयड एंड iOS, ऑल 3 प्लेटफॉर्म्स में हमारा एप्लीकेशन है। और थोड़ा 80 to 95% काम हो चुका है, थोड़ा बहुत पेंडिंग है, वो तो ऑनगोइंग प्रोसेस है, नेवर एंडिंग प्रोसेस है, तो वो तो चलते रहेगा काम हमेशा चलते रहेगा। सो लॉन्च के लिए अभी प्लानिंग चल रही है, फाइनल लॉन्च के लिए, जैसे हमारा काम कंप्लीट होता है तो।
Welcome to Nashiman News with me, Rizwan Asad. I am with Mr. Syed Javed Khadir Sahab, who has today launched an app called 7 Chats. He's a NRI, he's an American. He's the first Indian to have started this app on social media. So I want to know more of him. So welcome to Nashiman News. Can you tell me exactly what is this 7 Chats?
First, it's a pre-launch. We are not yet ready for a full launch. Hopefully, sometime next month we should be ready. 1, 2. This is a social media platform where people are normally used to social media, things like chatting, sharing photos, sharing videos, and so on and so forth. So the same thing, functionality. But in addition to standard functionality that are available, we also have some unique functionality on this platform.
Like, what is the unique feature?
Unique feature is first, you will get some rewards for using the app, for coming on the platform. You will have various points. For example, the number of friends and family in your circle. So depending on the number, let's say one person has 100 followers, not followers, friends link. You might get that n number. 100 into n is equal to that many points. Another person has 200, 300 and so on. So not everyone is same. So depending on the usage of the app on the platform, you will get different points. You can accumulate different points.
And you have something called auto delete, and you said that even you can do a business on the platform. So how different is your app from others? There's so many other apps also.
Correct. What you pointed out about the auto deletion feature, yes, there are applications, social media, which have deletion feature. But the uniqueness, the difference with us is that, let's say user A sends his credit card number or something confidential to B. When you are ready to send, you have to select, is it a regular send or it's a auto timer send, auto delete send. So once you select auto delete option, B, when he looks at the message, it automatically, after he's looked at the message in a few minutes or seconds and so on, it will auto delete by itself. It's not available. The next day, if you come and ask 7 chats, I'm sorry, I missed something important, can you recover that message? We will say, sorry, it's not no more available.
So how secure is your app? Because now you know that a lot of hackers are there, and most of the, how will you gain the confidence of the people who are going to log in?
Right. The confidence is, we will guarantee that your data that you have saved on the app, on the platform, one, it will not be sold, and two, because it's stored on the cloud, and we are using AWS or Amazon Web Services for this, we think it is secure. But I cannot guarantee 100%, or anyone, no company can guarantee 100% that it will not be hacked. But we will do our best to secure the data.
Now with so many apps there, and so many people log in, how do you see, how do you have a check on what is right, what is wrong, and a lot of fake things also happening, and a lot of unwanted things also becoming. How do you have a check? Do you have a monitoring committee or something?
Yes, what we plan to do is, as you pointed out, there is a lot of fake news and so on. Ours is a family platform, social media, but more towards family. So we will not allow something that is not part of the policy, like for example, sexual content or any nudity content or the fake news and so on, we will not allow. So that's where the users will point to us and say, here's a post or a picture or a video posted by this person, which I think does not meet the policy. So we will give a warning to that user to say, if you post this content, we will remove you from it. So we'll give you a warning. Initially, his account will be locked for a week or so. If he keeps repeating, we will ban his user from this.
You are the first company to have started from India. Most of the apps are, from America and other places. How do you think of starting this app, being an American citizen yourself, and what made you to come here, particularly to Bangalore, and what are the difficulties did you face?
Very, very excellent one. Basically, I'm an Bangalorean, an Indian from Bangalore. My schooling, college, career, everything is from Bangalore. So I'm in IT for the last 35 years and in the United States for the last 28 years. So me, my wife, the whole family, we are US citizens. But we cannot forget our roots. Our roots is being an Indian. We always have one leg here in Bangalore, India, and one leg in the US. So, to the other question that you asked, why starting from Bangalore? What we have noticed for the last few years is all the apps, all the major software is developed by companies in the United States or Europe or China, but they use mostly IT, Indian consultants or Indian developers. So if you go to any European country or to the US, their IT department, 50, 60, 70, 80% will be Indians. So So that means Indians are contributing to the development of the app and the software products, but it's all coming from somewhere else. So in this case, we said let's start from India first, launch in India first, and then take it to the rest of the world. So.
Yeah, how do you get the permission, copyright acts, then your patent?
Yeah, it's because we are having a rewards this thing on the platform for the users. This is for all users. If you compare that to other platforms, they are not giving any rewards at all. So we have two kinds of rewards. One is a long-term reward, and one is a short-term rewards. The long-term reward, we have applied for a patent in the United States, which is still pending. But in India, we have applied as a copyright, and we have got that approved from the government of India, from the copyright department. As far as the challenges that you are talking about, yes, because this is a US company, 7chats is a subsidiary of the US company. We had more challenges. If it was just an Indian company, yes, I guess it would have been easier, but we faced more challenges, and finally we got it approved.
And this, how did you go about the funding? Did you outsource it because you're a startup, or somebody has funded you, or is it your personal money? Because this takes a lot of investments.
Yes, excellent question. But this funding is purely my funding, my earning, and my family's assets. We have not taken any loan or we do not have a partner, we do not have any loans from any banks or from private channels. It's all privately funded. And Alhamdulillah, so far we are good. I think we have funding for the next 1 year at least. And then as it grows, yes, we might be looking for getting credit facility from the banks and so on. So right now we are totally funded.
You said on your app you'll be having a business type of model. So do you think these ads, what you get revenue, how do you plan to take it? Because whatever ads you're going to take, because you said it's mostly a family application, but there are so many platforms nowadays to sell things. So how successful will be your object?
So one, this platform or our application is not an e-commerce application, most important. Two, yes, we do have an option for the users to sell something. Okay,
Now be charging something for that?
No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. It is between A and B, but it's just we provide a platform for example. I bought a latest phone, iPhone 12. I have an iPhone 8, 9 or 10. What do I do with that? So I can put it on the application, on the store, saying that this is available for sale, and here's the price, and here's the contact number. And someone else on these applications, 7chats platform, looks at it, he wants to buy that phone. So it will be basically partnership or transaction between A and B. 7chats will not get involved, will not take any commission, will not store your credit card, any financial details.
Where is this app available? In the Play Store or?
This app will be available on 3 platforms: iOS, which is nothing but Apple phones, 2 Android phones, and also on the web. So these 3, and we are planning to go live sometime next month.
So when is the actual launch? Because this is a pre-launch, you are still in trial basis. And do you think how successful will you be, and why?
Yes. One is, yes, this is a pre-launch. We do not have a date for the final launch, but definitely sometime next month, January of 21. And as far as success is concerned, we are doing our best because it's a family platform, and we are going to avoid the do's and don'ts. Like the policy will say, this is what you can do and this is what you cannot do. More like what you cannot post. Like I said, sexual content and other nudity contents and so on, we will not allow. We also try to make it as genuine as possible, as real as possible, not fake news. But we cannot avoid everyone because the content created, we are not creators of the content. We are only, we store it there, but the actual creator of the content is the user themselves. So they need to be responsible of what they are creating and what they are posting.
Last question, why 7chats the name?
Yes, I think among all the numbers, 7 holds a different among all significance, among all either religious point of view or generally point of view.
Numerical point of view.
Numerical point of view. For example, 7 heavens, 7 seas, 7 continents, seven colors in the rainbow, 7 wonders of the world. So 7 is one number which is completely, people, it catches the eye, or you are able to remember. So this is, we want someone to remember our name. It's like 7 chats, okay, 7 and chats. And primarily it's a chat platform, or chat media, social media app.
Thank you. Mr. Javed Khadir was very forthcoming. He said his 7 chats app is going to be launched very soon, and he is very confident that this app would be very successful in the social media, and they'll try their best to see that no fake news and nudity or any sexual content is there. It will be a friendly family app, and we only hope this works out, because he's the first Indian to have started this app, and it's available in all the ISO and Play Store and other website. Rizwan Asad, Nasheman News.